Let's bring on board Kunal, and why we're bringing on board Kunal right at the top of the show, Adiraj, is because it's Friday, and every Friday we have a special segment, and that is BNSN Pathshala, basically a segment where you can learn more about technical analysis. And Kunal, very good morning to you. And what new do you have for us today, and what are you teaching us on the Pathshala today?
Good morning, Cheryl, as well as Adiraj, and thank you so much for that. So today's topic, which I have, is more of an extension of what we've done over the last few sessions of Pathshala. Last few sessions we discussed about the triangular patterns on the indices, the flag pattern. Today's topic, what we have, is a pennant formation. So first, let us see what is actually a pennant formation and how does it get spotted into the charts. A very simple way to look at a pennant formation is the first kind of a trend, an upward trend. This is a bullish pennant formation. So the prices enter into a very strong kind of an uptrend, gets into a consolidation. The consolidation is interesting because here the stock is actually making a lower low as well as a higher high for itself. Something which is completely contrast to a trend kind of a direction, which means that the stock price or the stock gets into a bit of a consolidation, the range gets narrowed, and then when you see a breakout happening for the stock after this phase of a consolidation, we expect the stock to move up higher in the same kind of a trend in which it entered into the consolidation. So this is a typical way of looking at how a bullish pennant formation actually looks like. I have two examples in terms of stocks where we recently spotted a bullish pennant formation and we've given a buy call. The most recent one was CAMS, where the stock moved up higher. So as you can see, the stock forming a base at the 2100, 2150 mark, moving up higher, getting into a consolidation. As you can see that the consolidation was a bit more tighter for CAMS over here. And once the stock confirmed a breakout about the 2500 mark, that's where I've started to give buy calls. From here on, we've seen a very sharp jump. The stock moved up to almost 2700 in a matter of just 3 or 4 trading sessions. So this is the classical sign of a bullish pennant formation. The second chart was again a very recent kind of a chart which we spotted out. That was for Omax Auto. Again, a very classical kind of a formation, because here what is interesting is not just the prices moving up higher in the entering towards the pennant formation, the stock consolidating, but the volumes moving up significantly in terms of the exact characteristic what we look out for. So entering into the pennant formation, the volumes were pretty strong. Then consolidating, and especially in terms of the breakout, this breakout point, the volumes were exceptionally high, which means that this would now act as a major support for the stock, and we could look at the stock inching up much higher returns from the short term. So this is how a classical bullish pennant formation looks like.